Thanks, Lascion Corla. In the 2 short minutes available to me, I want to say that I will be supporting the no confidence motion in the Minister. Minister, nobody with a whit of common sense believes that the Taoiseach, the Minister for Finance and indeed the Government were not aware of the National Children's Hospital debacle. It is in fact now crystal clear that not only the Minister himself but also Minister Donohue were fully aware of the huge hospital overrun at the time of the last budget. Minister Donohue had the Chief Government Procurement Officer on the board of the hospital, and he was involved at all levels, including the Financial Subcommittee level. The cover-up included confidentiality pledges to ensure that the Government would not be formally or officially informed until after the budget. And why was that? That was because this Government wanted to continue to give huge tax concessions to its super-rich backers of this Government. There is no justification, Minister, for the Government delaying health and other capital projects using the excuse of the cost overrun at the Children's Hospital. The hospitals serving my Tipperary constituency, South Tipperary General Hospital and University Hospital Limerick, are the most overcrowded in the country. I want to tell the Minister that no cancellation, no suspension, no long fingering and no delaying of capital projects affecting Tipperary will be tolerated. And I include in that the completion and the opening of the 40-bed modular units at South Tipperary General Hospital, the building of a new 50-bed unit at South Tipperary General Hospital, the building of a new 100-bed unit at St Patrick's Hospital in Cashel, and the building of a 60-bed unit at University Hospital Limerick. Minister, the Irish super-rich are dripping with wealth and gaining more by the day. The Government's policy is not only not to tax the super-rich, but also to give them tax concessions. The Government is in fact the politically extremist representative of the super-rich at the expense of citizens generally in this country. I believe, Lascion Corla, what the Government should do now is bring in an emergency budget and claw back the €250 million of tax concessions given to the super-rich in the last 3 budgets. And I include in that the huge concessions given to the 25,700 with incomes between 200,000 and in excess of €2 million. Minister, I believe it's time for you to go. It's time for you to take the Minister for Finance with you and to give the public an opportunity to make a decision on this government in a general election.
On to the Sinn Féin slot.
And I think it's time, finally, Lascion Corla, it's time for Fianna Fáil, it's time for independent support in this government, it's time for Deputy Lowry and Deputy Cahill and the other independents to call out this government on this issue and support this motion. Thank you.